Stop wasting leads. If you're not following up automatically, you're leaving money on the table. Today, I'll show you how to create your first nurture sequence automation in GoHelp, step by step. A nurture sequence is an automated follow-up sequence that keeps your lead engaged, builds trust, and converts them into paying clients. Instead of manually sending SMS and email, GoHighLevel automates everything, making your marketing faster and effective. Now let's dive into the computer screen and click on the automations and create a new automation. Start from scratch. Name that automation nurture sequence, and here we will add a trigger which is going to be a form submitted. We can just select any random form or you can just create a new one in GoHelp and hit the save button here. And now what we are going to do is add an action here. The action is going to be telling the system to add a tag for suppose new lead and hit save button. This will add a tag whenever a new lead submits a form here. Now here what we are going to do is click on the action button again and select send email here, and we will send out an welcome email to the customer. For suppose we are going to add the subject here, welcome email, and put out a message like this: thanks for signing up, here what to expect. And we can send out from either the account information. This will auto populate the company's name, and here we can set out accounts email here as well. It will auto populate accounts email, or you can just put out an random email where you want to send out and add save. And here we are going to do the same for SMS as well. Hit the save button. Now what will happen whenever a form is submitted here, the system will automatically add a tag and send out an email to them and SMS to them. And we can also add a wait button here like this. For suppose I want to wait one day before sending out another campaign email or SMS. Now what will happen here, whenever they reach here, they will have to wait for one day. For example, I will rename this so you can have a better understanding. Okay, so now for waiting for one day, we can just go here and copy all action from here and paste it here, and we can do the same again, and we can send out another email to them, an SMS to them, and wait for one day. And again we can just copy around and go on with the sequence. That will be an endless loop for the customer for the nurture sequence. And here you have it, a limited loop where you can send them valuable contents, testimonials, and offer them free emails, free demo, free discounts, and something like that. Call reminders optional, and you can just test around the workflow to check everything works. If all looks good, just click publish and start nurturing your leads. And just like that, you build your first automation. Now GoHighLevel is doing the heavy lifting for you. Want a deeper dive into advanced automations? Comment below what you'd like to learn next. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out my next tutorial.